All right, so here we've got to solve for these missing sides, u and v. First thing to recognize is I've got this special right triangle. It's a 30, 60, 90. And when I have a 30, 60, 90, my side lengths are going to be 1 to root 3 to 2. So if I take this side that's opposite the 30 and multiply it by root 3, I get the side that's opposite the 60. If I take this side that's opposite the 30 and multiply it by 2, I get the hypotenuse. So let's go ahead and write those mathematically. So the side that's opposite the 30, this one's nice because they give me the expression for that. So 2 is the side that's opposite the 30. If I take that and multiply it by root 3, I get the side that's opposite the 60, or in this case, v. So 2 times root 3 equals v. And actually, I'm done. I can leave it in terms of that square root. The other relationship is if I take the side that's opposite the 30 and I multiply it by 2, I get the hypotenuse. So the side that's opposite the 30 is 2. I multiply it by 2, and I get the hypotenuse. So nice and easy, 4 is equal to the hypotenuse.